I'm putting the Beelicious and Instant Vortex air fryers to the test with some cauliflower tacos. A real test to see if I can get that crunchy exterior and soft interior. Now they both have simple touch screens and all the options you want. The Instant Vortex is really straightforward on the options, whereas the Beelicious has the same options as Instant Vortex, plus shortcuts for fries and steak. Now once they start going, they'll preheat nearly instantly, and then they're good to go. You can shake them as much as you want, and they cook beautifully. Now I'd say the only difference that I can tell and my family can tell between these two air fryers is the size of the drawer. The Beelicious is a 4-quart while the Instant Vortex is a 6-quart. So for my family of 4, I go for the larger one, but they both work great.